The Meadows Lake Forest. Looking out across the construction site at the base of Saddleback Mountain. Little how-to video, how to run a clean construction site in California. Looks like some easy soil, I gotta give them that, but I've watched this job for almost a year now, and these guys simply do not produce any dust. They're hyper vigilant about the watering. They manage the debris in the surface streets, the entryways, always clean. Toll Brothers is the development company based on a New York Stock Exchange. Toll Brothers has been around since the 60s, a leading national builder of luxury homes. Lake Forest, California is blessed with a few of their developments. I'd say a few, Baker Ranch and some others in this general area. This project, the Meadows Lake Forest, the Meadows Lake Forest. You can learn more online. Sits off Rancho Parkway between Bake Parkway and Lake Forest Drive. 6 distinct residential communities expected. They certainly have moved this dirt a lot over the last year. Local residents will remember this as the site of Nakasi Brothers Wholesale Nursery. For decades, it would be full of hothouses and everything else vegetation-wise, this large property. Of course, sometimes of the year it would be virtually empty, depending on the seasonality of their business. Lake Forest, California, Toll Brothers Construction, The Meadows, Lake Forest. This is Kevin Graham at KG How to run a clean construction site in California.